What's your name and badge number?
2938, sir. What's your name? What's your name?
And what's your name?
What's your name? Lopez.
Lopez. Thank you, sir.
Lopez.
Lopez, 3266.
They're getting raided by the Lopez family.
You're blocking a sidewalk and a driveway.
Who's blocking the sidewalk?
That's illegal in the state of California, my man.
You still going hands-on with others?
Oh, always, my man.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Street vendors have been a staple of Los Angeles and Orange County for decades. Most people love the tacos, hot dogs, and convenience the food carts provide. However, there is one group that actively rallies against them, the local brick-and-mortar businesses that have to compete with them. There are an estimated 50,000 vendors in Los Angeles alone, and advocates say that nearly 80% of them are women. They rarely obtain a permit, have not suffered the strenuous health inspections by county officials, have little to no overhead in the form of rent, and likely don't pay the property or sales tax an established business would be required to. They often use the public sidewalk, or set up shop in the parking lots of closed businesses, sometimes even directly in front of their competition. On November 18th of 2022, Santa Ana Audits was documenting the Santa Ana Police Department and code enforcement as they cited and confiscated unapproved open food vendors. The vendors had set up a pop-up tent in the parking lot of a closed auto repair shop.
I just raided a taco spot right here. So, man?
Hold on, my man. Why you're all covered up?
Because I can.
Good for you, my man.
Right? What's your name and badge number?
2938, sir. What's your name?
2938?
Yes, sir. What's your name?
And what's your name?
What's your name?
I'm asking you, what's your name?
I just told you it's recorded there. Reverse it and look it up.
You said badge number 2938.
You're right. You repeated it.
What's your name?
That's right. Lopez.
Lopez. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. What's your name?
Don't worry about it.
You don't want to tell me, huh?
You're a public servant. You're a public servant.
You're here asking questions.
I'm a private citizen.
I'm asking you questions too because you're blocking a sidewalk and a driveway.
Who's blocking the sidewalk? Me or you?
You are.
You want to? Are you serious?
Are you placing a bet that's illegal in the state of California, my man?
Are you serious?
Don't be placing bets against the law. You're supposed to know the law, right?
Your vehicle is blocking the sidewalk.
So are you.
Your vehicle is blocking the sidewalk.
Move out of the way so I can move my car.
I'm not blocking your vehicle.
You're blocking the sidewalk.
I'm not blocking your vehicle.
You're blocking the sidewalk.
I'm not blocking your vehicle.
Blocking the sidewalk.
You are too. You're saying I'm blocking the sidewalk? Are you serious? Dude, this guy's saying I'm blocking the sidewalk. He's a joke. He's trying to say I blocked the sidewalk. This guy's a liability to you guys. He'll get you guys in trouble. Officer Lopez right here. He's a liability to the city, to the department. I could see right through you, man. You're corrupt. You're corrupt, man. Look at this guy. He's trying to say I am blocking the sidewalk. Look at him. Trying to intimidate over here. What's up with that? What kind of respect do you have for the citizens right here? Trying to say I'm blocking the sidewalk?
You want to bang more bets, sir? No? Okay.
Yeah, let's bet how many rights you have violated in your career. What? What? I'm blocking the sidewalk too or what? See what I mean? He'll get you in trouble one day. What was that? What? Thought I dropped something?
Yeah, I thought you dropped something.
Why are you lying? What did I drop?
No, I'm asking you.
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Lopez.
Lopez?
Lopez, 2456.
2456?
Yes.
What's your first name since it's all Lopez around here?
There it is.
Let me see. Let me zoom in on that.
Zoom in on that. There you go.
Senate Bill 946 decriminalized street vending in 2018, but left it up to local governments to come up with their own permitting process. But even when vendors obtain permits, law enforcement still finds ways to target sidewalk businesses, such as enforcing ordinances prohibiting the storage of bulky items on sidewalks, or simply obstructing the sidewalk. In this case, it appears as though the vendor does not have a permit, and code enforcement brings a pickup truck to the scene to seize the food that was intended for sale.
Stop blocking.
Man, look at this guy. He's making things up. Stop blocking. I'm gonna put yellow tape now. Look at this. They're just gonna waste food, throw away food. Hello, officer. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Okay, 3266.
3266. Lopez. Yeah, a lot of Lopez, huh? What's your first initial? M. All right, thank you. They're getting raided by the Lopez family.
Sorry, you have to
I'm going on that way.
Nope, you have to go around, sir.
Oh, now you're putting hands on me?
Nope, I'm just putting tape. I'm putting tape, sir.
Okay, this guy.
Thank you.
You have to touch me, huh?
Nope, the tape touches you, sir.
You're such a liar, man.
With the scene taped off, the officers empty the vendor's vehicle, taking a truckload of food with them.
Man, a lot of these cops don't wear seatbelts. They don't obey the traffic laws.
Have a nice night, dude.
Don't do anything sneaky now.
Never do anything.
You always do sneaky stuff. I could tell. Did you say you honor your oath?
Stay off the road, dude.
Well, you're blocking the sidewalk.
You're gonna get run over.
You're blocking the sidewalk. You're blocking the
Stay on the
sidewalk.
road, dude.
You're blocking the sidewalk.
Excuse me, sir. Okay.
Park better next time.
I will. You have a better night, dude.
Look at all that plastic tape right there.
You might want to stop blocking the sidewalk. Something we got.
He keeps talking about blocking the sidewalk. Look at this guy. He had to do that. That was necessary.
The officers left and stopped just down the street at another vendor and start the entire process all over again.
I just ran over here. Code enforcement's hitting the city, the taco stands. Look at all this food.
Hey, follow me, dude.
What's up, Tyrant?
What's going on, dude?
You still going hands-on with others?
Oh, always, my man.
Oh yeah?
Hands on.
You respect the Constitution or what? You
All the Constitution, whatever China, my friend.
bunch of dirt.
Keep going.
What was that?
For me?
What was that?
You're gonna tell me the Constitution?
Do you take your oath serious to the Constitution?
For my name again.
No, I'm asking you. Do you
2938.
do you take your oath serious to the Constitution?
Oh, sir. Step out of the sidewalk.
There you go with the sidewalk.
Sergeant Lopez, Corporal Lopez, and Officer Lopez eventually leave the scene. And while this particular interaction was not as egregious as most that I post, I wanted to bring it up because it's easy to see both sides fairly, and in the end, there is no simple solution. This was, however, a prime example of how much disdain some law enforcement officers have for citizens that film them. Officer Lopez flipped out almost immediately for being asked for his name and badge number. And while these officers are free to dislike anything they want, this is not the professionalism we expect from a public official. Let me know what you think about this interaction in the comments down below, and be sure to check out Santa Ana Audits and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.